how to find hidden phone number from Facebook account, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can find hidden photos or phone number from Facebook profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have someone on Facebook, they have added their profile and they have also added their phone number, but they have hidden it from the general public. So how do you go ahead and then find those phone number? Well, unfortunately, if they have hidden it, then you will not actually be able to see their phone number no matter whatever you do, because Facebook does not allow you to do such kind of things. Now, one thing that you can do is, if you know the person, you can obviously ask for their phone number. If you don't know it, just wait a couple of times until they feel comfortable in giving out to you. But if Facebook themselves are not allowing us to do this, there is no any third-party measures for us to do it as well. Even though they have added their phone number inside the account, if they have not made it public, it will not be visible to anybody else. Hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.